Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a cool Instagram trick, how to find out if someone took a screenshot of your Instagram post. Let's get straight to it, no time wasted. Ever wondered who's been screenshotting your Instagram posts? Well, it's actually pretty easy to find out. First, open up your Instagram app, then tap on those three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and head over to Settings. Next, you'll want to use the search option. In the search bar, type Switch Account Type. Tap on Switch to Professional Account and then just keep clicking Continue. You'll be asked to pick your interests. Do that and hit Done. After that, click Next and then tap on the Cancel icon. Now refresh your page and look for the Professional Dashboard option in front of Account Insights. Click on See All, and there you'll find the list of users who took a screenshot of your Instagram posts. Just a heads up, this feature may not be available in your region yet, as in my case. And that's how you can easily check who's been screenshotting your Instagram content. I hope you find this tip helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you in the next video. Peace out.